Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Facebook layouts in our website, provided you already has been approved as a Facebook designer in our website. So for those newbies that are looking at this website, you can apply as a designer in our website. First of all, make sure you log in with Facebook or you already registered in our website using this Facebook Connect over here. So once you're done, then you can contact us via apply to be a designer page, and I will look into that, and I will approve you if you already have some basic knowledge on CSS and JavaScript. Alright, so right now I'm going to show all the designers how you're going to post layouts in our website. Alright, so assuming that you already have the account and already approved as a designer, so just log in with Facebook. Right, so now you're logged in. You can see a welcome message over here with your name, so just click edit profile. Alright, and once you're here, go to post, add new. You will see a default template that already has been pre-filled for you to make your layout posting a lot easier. So make sure you don't touch anything over here, or else it's going to break the whole code, and it might cause some design changes in our default template. Alright, so first thing you have to do, scroll down and get a title. Alright, so there's a title column over here. You can name any title that you want as long as it's relevant to the Facebook layouts. Alright, so let's say I'm having a dark themed layout. Maybe I will put a dark and black theme. Alright, so this will be the title. Make sure you don't remove these Facebook layouts that's at the front. The reason being is this will be used to call your layouts in our website, and also will be used to post automatically to all the users that have been subscribed. So if you remove this one, it's going to be pretty bad for you, because you might not be getting the necessary user clicks. Alright, so make sure maintain the Facebook layouts over here, or if you don't feel good, maybe what you can do, you can put it at the back, something like this, but I will still prefer if you have this Facebook layout at the front, a lot easier to manage. Alright, okay, this is the first step. Once you have the title ready, go ahead and click save draft. Okay, so once you've done this one, it will then generate layouts code for you. So how to check the layouts ID? I will say it's the layouts ID. Scroll over your mouse to over here, and you will see a link down here, which I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, there you go. You can see the layouts ID over here. Let me show you. Yeah, so you can see Facebook layout slash p equals to 316. So the 316 is your ID. There's another way to get it. You can right click here, copy link address, and paste it over here. So you will see the 316 is going to be your ID. Alright, this 316 is going to be your ID, so you need to fill it up later on. Alright, so the next step will be so this is your designer panel. You will have a bunch of not say bunch, I mean like a few options for you to fill up. Alright, so the Facebook layouts title going to be the same as what you have put over here. Just cut and paste it. Alright, so this is your designer panel. Alright, next will be layouts ID. So just now I showed you how to get the layouts ID, which is here 316. Just fill it out, 316. Now you're going to put a link for your layouts screen capture layouts. So what I mean by screen capture, let me go to my website. Yeah, so this is our layout front page, right? So this is what I meant by screen capture. So don't put the background image that you're going to use for your layouts. No, please don't. Just put a screen cap, and the screen cap has its size, which is 500 times 320 pixels. Make sure it doesn't exceed this one, or else it's going to spoil the whole design of our website. Just put it within 500 to 320 pixels. So you might have your own links pointing to the screen capture, like in tinyurl or tinypitch or tinypitch.com or any other image sharing website like PhotoBucket. But let's say if you don't have those image sharing links, so what you can do, scroll up, you can see add media. Just click add media, so it will pop up drop files here, and so I already have my files over here, right? So you just need to drag and drop, but obviously you already have some files over here that you have already named according to your preference. But once you when you're going to drag and drop, you have to rename it everything according to the layouts ID. So the layouts ID just now was 316. So now for the screen cap of my layouts, I'm going to change it to 316, and the CSS accordingly 316, and the JS file 316. Alright, so click, this is the screen cap, click this one and pull it over here. Now you can see it already has been uploaded. At times you might see it's not an absolute link, so when you don't see an absolute link, just click file URL and it will generate the absolute links. Just copy this one, control copy, make sure you save all changes, then close this one, move down, put the link to it. And so just now I told you that the maximum resolution for the main website is 500 times 320 pixels, but you might have larger pixels, I mean larger image that you're going to show to your users. For example, so this is the 500 times 320 pixels screen cap, but you may prompt user to click this one and preview a larger screen cap. Alright, so if you do have a larger screen cap, you need to fill it up over here. If you don't have that, that's not a problem, you just leave it empty. So for this example, I'm going to put a larger preview, which is over here. Alright, so this is a description, and description you can put anything related to your layouts as long as it describes about the layout. So over here I'm going to put dark and black theme layouts. Alright, or if you have something like dropping or falling snowflakes or falling hearts, you can put with falling snowflakes or with falling hearts if you are designing for some Valentine's Day themes, right? So for now I just stick with dark and black theme. And this is CSS for your layouts. You need to upload the file over here, so follow the same method, add media, and make sure your CSS is origin has been named to 316 according to the layouts ID 316. Just pull it over here, it will generate a link, copy it over here and make sure it is a file URL. Click this file URL and you'll get the absolute link. Copy this one, save all changes, close this one, paste it over here. So you might have additionally JS files or JavaScript files or JSON files for this one. So if you do have, follow the same method at like how I have shown for CSS file. Just drag and drop it and copy the link over here. Preferable to have one, but if you don't have, I think that should be fine. Alright, so moving on, next will be the designer comments. So you can put anything over here that you want to tell to your possible Facebook layout users. So you can put feel free to, yeah, you can see here, so feel free to comment, or maybe you can put rate my layouts, or you can put, we can send a request to abc@yahoo.com. all right, and make sure you don't point this page, put any links pointing to external websites, say like abclayouts.com or abcskins.com. all right, because we are bound by Facebook terms and conditions, so I don't want any violation happens which may cause our website to be shut down or under some lawsuits. all right, so don't point any external links, but I'm fine if you want to point to any Facebook page. all right, so that's it for designers panel. We are pretty much done with this one, so you can move up and save draft anytime you prefer to save it. Let's say you want to, it's pretty much simple, but let's say you have something important that to be done, you can save draft instead of publishing it. all right, and you can click preview to see the current state of our layouts or the post. all right, there you go, you can see how it looks like before you really going to post it. right, you can see that feel free to comment, rate my layouts, and so on, your screen cap and everything. right, so there's one more thing. Once you filled up everything, you need to choose some categories. right, make sure you uncheck this one, and since this is a dark and black theme, maybe I will go for dark FB skins. If your layouts is something like gothic, just click this one. It's fine if you choose more than one, but make sure it's relevant to your layouts. So maybe if my dark and black theme is relevant to boys, I'll click for boys. right, maybe girly FB skins and gothic. okay, I leave it to you, just follow according to your layouts preference, and if you need any more categories to be added over here, just let me know, and I'll be happy to add it up for you. all right, so pretty much we have already saved the draft, already preview the layouts, all looks good. We already have category selected, and one more last is tags. So I have loaded some tags over here. Just select everything. This is for users reach, so that they can, when they search for layouts, they can come across your layouts. all right, so after you add up everything, maybe you can put additionally dark FB skins. all right, there you go, you can click this one and add it up. okay, you can add this one. okay, we are pretty much done. Now you can publish. okay, click view, open link in new tab. This one will show how your post is going to look like in our website. So there you go, your title, your name will be here, Mac, Mike, or any of your names, and the screen cap over here, and yeah, your comments over here, feel free to comment, etc, blah blah. okay, so yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just let me know, and I will be glad to help you. right, thank you.